today's world of unprecedented and rapid transformations, EXPO remains a crucial global event, bringing together countries, industries and leaders to exchange knowledge, promote trade and investment. EXPO 2027 Belgrade offers a significant opportunity to promote regional economic cooperation in the Balkans and the Mediterranean, enhancing the dynamism and significant growth prospects of the broader region. Greece has a long history of participation in international exhibitions, consistently demonstrating its rich cultural heritage, significant economic potential, and innovative contributions across various sectors. EXPO 2027 Belgrade presents another opportunity for Greece to reinforce international collaborations and highlight advancements in sustainability, technology, and entrepreneurship. To all our friends in Serbia, Greece is honored to participate in EXPO 2027 Belgrade. The long-standing relationship between Greece and Serbia, shaped by deep historical, cultural, and diplomatic ties, underscores our commitment to fostering continued collaboration. As the host city, Belgrade stands as a focal point for international cooperation, showcasing Serbia's economic dynamism, progress, and strategic vision. Greece fully supports Serbia's efforts and looks forward to engaging with Serbian businesses, institutions, and cultural representatives to reinforce common aspirations. Let's embark together on this journey to a successful EXPO 2027 Belgrade.